There are many easy ways to earn additional income, but you might be surprised that you can also gain extra bucks just by uploading pictures. Yes, you heard that right. By uploading images, you can make some money by selling stock photos, from hundreds of dollars up to $1,000. Now you might be thinking, how can you do it? You're not a photographer, and you're not even a graphic designer. Well, you don't have to worry about that because there are still other ways to make money from stock photos without those skills. And that is exactly what we'll provide you today in this video. But be warned, you must stick to the end of the video to make sure that you go through all the steps carefully. One mistake and you might end up earning nothing at all. We also have some tips to make money easier through this method, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything about money. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. Now, the first app we're going to talk about is ColdPhob. This platform consists of a massive library of millions of different high-resolution and quality photos. When it comes to this app, there are usually two groups flocking to it. First are the people who usually buy photos. They are the ones that browse the website for images that they need and purchase them from the platform. The second group of people sells the images in the app. And your objective of using this app is to be a part of this group of people. By selling various photos of phob, money will come into your pockets in no time. We are pretty certain that some of you are worried because you don't have a photography or graphic design skills, which are a big plus if you're going to go for this type of hustle. But don't worry because with this, you don't really need those skills to start making some income from stock photos. That is why we advise you to stick around so you will be on the top secret tip that will help you make a lot of bucks without the skills. And by the end of watching this video, you could be making your first $100 to $300. To start, you need to go to phob.com and on the top, go click the Switch to Creators tab. There is another tab on the left that says Download the app. And you can do that if you want to download phob on another device. But if you're on your PC, you can just register on the website. If you do it though, you will be led to a page where you will be made to choose if you want to be a creator or if it is a business account. Now, if you're just doing this for a side hustle, you can click Creator. From there, you can start accessing the platform. If you're on your phone, you can just download the app and make an account. It will require you to provide a unique username, an email address, and a password. After that, you're finally good to go, and you can start uploading pictures and earning money. Phob's photo library is very big, and there are a lot of high-resolution images that people are selling on this platform. Now, what's good about phob is the fact that it can give you passive income. Once you upload photos on this platform, as long as your uploaded image is there, you can continue earning from it for the next months or years to come, as long as it is there. After all, every month, millions and millions of visitors go to phob to shop for different images and purchase them. Now, you might be curious about how much money you can earn from phob. That's actually a good question with an equally good answer. Whenever you upload photos in the app and it gets bought by someone, you get 50% of the earnings, while the platform gets the other 50%. You may ask why, but it only makes sense because phob is the one selling your photos, which makes them entitled to the earnings you are making. Phob is working with a lot of big brands, so you don't have to worry. With the tons of people buying photos from them, you won't have to worry about making money, because that is something that will happen for sure. But aside from earning money from the photos themselves, another interesting thing about phob is that they have different missions you can join to earn more money. These missions are about uploading a photo based on the theme they provided. Winning those missions will guarantee from hundreds of dollars up to $1,000. The more missions you join and win, the more money you can make. But aside from Phobe, there is another website where you can earn money from uploading images other people can purchase. This website might be pretty familiar to you because what we're talking about is Shutterstock. If you go to Shutterstock.com, you can contribute and upload some photos and start earning money every single day. To earn from both platforms, you can upload your images both on this website and Phobe, which means you now have the chance to double your earnings. And since you reached this part of the video, it is time to reveal what we promised you earlier. Going through these websites, you might be worried because you don't have photography or graphic design skills that will help you come up with the photos you can upload. But like we said earlier, you don't have to worry about that. There is a website that can provide you with high-resolution images, all for free. You can check out the website burst.shopify.com, where you can get high-quality photos. On the website, you will notice that everything is separated into categories so that it will be easier for the users to find the images they want to take. You don't need to use your credit card or pay for anything because everything is for free. All you have to do is just click a button to download the images. Another website would be Peakweezer.com, which is another platform that can provide high-quality stock photos. They have over 1 million different high-quality images, which you can download for free on this website. This is a more efficient and easier way to earn money from Phobe and similar platforms, which makes earning money easier for you. In general, making money off of stock photos is a superb way to bring in some additional cash on the side. To make it pay off, however, you will need a great deal of patience, hard work, and perseverance. But once it does, the passive income is quite nice. So what are you waiting for? Check out this strategy and the websites mentioned earlier right now, and start your journey to making more income while inside the comforts of your home. Comment down below so we can get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, head to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you then!